Hey guys, how's it going? My name is ohSchnapp. Online I go by ohSchnapp. Thought I'd do this video a little bit differently than an artsy flying video. They are really cool, but it's fun to mix it up every now and then. I thought I'd share some knowledge in this one. When I'm not flying drones, I work as a VFX artist in lovely Vancouver, British Columbia. And one of my hobbies that correlates with that is 3D printing. And so for all of my GoPro mounts, oops, the antenna's kind of crooked, I've printed these nice little wedges that work great, 10% infill, very hollow. Same thing with this guy. Try not to break your GoPro while you're at it. And I've also printed some like kind of nifty art stuff. So this is like a nice little Hulk. Pretty high on the detail. And pretty fast print. It was only about, I think, 4 or 5 hours, so to speak. Not that much support. And then some other cool stuff like some prototyping stuff. So this is a camera mount that's made out of TPU. So it's flexible. You can move it around, dampening. It's made for the Runcam Eagle that was very generously donated by Fly With Me FPV at the last FPV Vancouver Indoor Brushless Micro Series earlier this month, and I'm happy to try it out soon. But I thought for this video and the next 3 or 4, I just do a couple of tips and tricks for 3D printing, so you can get quality utility prints if you plan to use them for like drone frames or camera mounts, or you can get super cool, complex, artistic prints just for around the house. You know, it's great to print art, but it's really cool when you can actually print prints that you can use. Like I've got a couple of prints around the house that I use for wall mounts and hangers, even like hex nuts. Sorry, you know, it's crazy. Once you dial in the settings, there's really there's an endless possibility of actually utility parts that you can use for printing. So let's get into it.